Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. I will appreciate it. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. I got stuff ordered online that I want us to unbox. Check what is inside. This gear is stuff I ordered online. So this is not the original packaging, but it's a gadget I ordered. So let's check what is in here. What is in here is Miele Complete C3 Pure Red Powerline Miele. This is what we got here. This is the pole. So this is Miele vacuum. And this is the information pack. Miele. This is one of the strong vacuum gear you can rely on. Strong vacuum gear that you can rely on. This is Miele Complete C3. Beautiful. This is made in Germany, and this vacuum gear is a gadget that does not need introduction. It's very durable, very strong, sophisticated. I thought to bring to you Miele in the building. This gear deserves your attention. This is Miele Complete C3. It's beautiful stuff. I like the color. Pure Red Powerline Miele Complete C3. It's beautiful with 3 wheels. See what it looks like. So check this gear. Once you put it to test, check it at Vinyl Tech Store. We're going to put this up. People can buy it. Okay, so check our store. Is Vinyl Tech Store is online store. So we're going to test this and put it on the store for people to, if you want to purchase it, it's there. Thank you. Okay, now it's beautiful. Okay, let's see. This hose goes here. Is in, but the head brush is not. The head brush is missing. Okay, which you can use. Okay, so the head brush is missing. Okay. Extend the pole. I see the pole to be extended. Beautiful. Wow, amazing. cable goes here, and okay, see the brushes. Open. So we need to get, you can see what it looks like. We need to get a bag, and you can see the filter. Working. You need a filter. Okay, you need a filter and the bag. Okay, so the moment the filter is, so we just need to get a bag. The bag goes in here. Okay, so you can get a bag online. And this gear is working. Strong, powerful gadget. So switch this on and off from here. Okay. If you press this, the cable will go back inside. You see. Okay, so this is the end. Okay, for the cable. Then just press the comfort, the cable will go. Just once you press the comfort, the cable will go back in. Okay, and so you switch this on from here and increase the volume. You can see minus and plus, which is the maximum. So you just press this on. Okay, now you can put various tools. This tool, you can rotate it to various angles. You see what beautiful. So it can go very flexible. It can go to each corner any. another tool. So guys, thank you very much. This is working. This is Miele complete C3. Thank you.